Can AI predict Bitcoin halving impact? Data-driven insights you need every 4 years. Bitcoin undergoes a halving, a built-in event that cuts the mining reward in half. Historically, each halving has triggered massive bull runs. But with increasing market complexity, can we still rely on this pattern? Enter AI-powered prediction models. These intelligent systems analyze years of blockchain, market, and sentiment data to forecast how the next Bitcoin halving might affect prices. Let's explore whether AI can help us predict the next big Bitcoin breakout after the halving in 2024-2025. Pick what is Bitcoin halving? Occurs approximately every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years. Block reward halves, reducing the rate at which new BTC enters circulation past halvings. 2012 right pointing arrow BTC rose from $12 to $1,200. 2016 right pointing arrow BTC rose from $600 to $20,000. 2020 right pointing arrow BTC rose from $8,000 to $69,000, but correlation is not always causation. This is where AI comes in. How AI analyzes Bitcoin halving events. AI prediction models look far beyond historical patterns. They integrate 1. On-chain analytics, miner behavior, capitulation versus accumulation, supply shock models, wallet growth rate. 2. Sentiment analysis, Twitter, Reddit, and Google Trends data, positive versus negative chatter pre and post halving. 3. Macroeconomic factors, inflation, Fed policy, interest rate changes. AI adjusts for external market impact. 4. Cycle pattern recognition, AI maps historical cycles and overlays current market status, looks for time-aligned fractals and RSI models. What AI models say about 2025 halving according to AI-backed platforms like Glassnode, Token Metrics, and private hedge fund models. Prediction window. 6 to 12 months post-halving may be most bullish. Trigger point. When miner reserves start rising plus exchange supply drops, AI risk score. Low-risk accumulation zone begins around 3 months before halving. Sentiment signal. Bullish if BTC maintains $40,000 plus post-halving without major FUD. Best tools to use for halving prediction: look into Bitcoin. Predictive models like stock to flow and RHODL ratio. Glassnode AI, real-time miner flow and HODL waves. Token Metrics AI, halving focused price and sentiment models. ClickBank halving signal tools, pre, post-halving entry, exit systems. Digistore 24 cycle prediction AI, automated alert systems for timing BTC entries. AI versus human analysis, halving edition. Factor human analyst AI system, emotion high, none speed slow, instant historical modeling manual, advanced pattern recognition, external data integration, limited macroeconomic plus technical plus. Sentiment consistency, variable reliable. Tips for using AI during halving cycles: checkmark, start accumulating BTC before the halving, not after hype begins. Checkmark, use AI alerts for minor outflows and sentiment spikes. Checkmark, don't rely only on history. Look at macro plus chain signals. Checkmark, avoid leverage unless using risk-managed AI systems. Want AI to guide you through the halving? Predict Bitcoin cycles with AI tools. ClickBank, halving-based AI trading models. Digistore 24. Get access to post-halving trading signals and price models. Final thoughts. Bitcoin halvings have always been significant, but in today's complex market, you need more than charts and hope. AI helps you cut through the noise and take strategic action before the rest of the world catches on. Don't just observe the next halving, profit from it with AI. Ready to make smart moves ahead of the next halving rally? Get started here. AI models for Bitcoin halving gains. ClickBank, smarter halving insights with Digistore 24 AI. Next read, AI Bitcoin margin trading 2025. Here's a quick look at what we'll cover today. From objectives to performance results, we'll review everything step by step. Let's begin with the goals of the webinar. Our webinar was designed with 4 key goals. Knowledge sharing and lead generation were at the core. We also focused on building awareness and community. We presented industry insights, solutions, and real-world examples. Participants had the chance to ask questions directly to experts. This created an interactive and informative session. The webinar featured experienced speakers. Each expert brought unique perspectives to the discussion. This enriched the overall value for attendees. We had a diverse group of participants. Attendees joined from multiple regions and industries. The turnout provided valuable engagement opportunities. Engagement was strong across all activities. Participants interacted through polls, chat, and Q&A. This indicates high interest in the topic. The webinar delivered several actionable takeaways. Attendees gained both strategic and practical insights. These points are critical for future business planning. Feedback was overwhelmingly positive. Many highlighted the clarity of presentations and speaker expertise. We also noted areas where improvements can be made. This brings us to the end of the summary. We appreciate the contribution of speakers and participants. Together, we made this webinar a success.